Hi, David here from Lancaster Honda, and here we've got a 21 plate 1.5 VTEC Civic. It's also automatic, so it's quite a rarity because you don't normally find the 1.5s with an auto. What I'll be doing in this video is just going over the condition of the vehicle and showing you some of the features you get. So we'll start with the privacy glass at the back. Quite a nice little touch there, alongside the black alloy design. Goes really well, the entire vehicle's blacked out. And as you can see, because of how dark it is, it's very reflective, so you can tell there's absolutely no dents or anything anywhere to be found. And then onto the wing mirror, no marks to be seen there. So it is 21 plates, so there's not really going to be any wear and tear unless somebody's driven it like a lunatic, which they haven't. Onto the front headlight design. And then you've got parking sensor at each corner and a couple in the middle there. And then onto the next alloy. As you can see, no curbing anywhere because it stands out like sore thumb on that. Then got next wing mirror cover. I'll give you the same shot down the side here. You can see nothing distorting anywhere on that. And fourth alloy there. Then onto the back, we've got parking sensors on the rear as well, as you'd expect. Alongside twin exhaust and diffuser you get on the 1.5 litre models. So they do produce around 180 horsepower, so it's certainly quite a bit quicker than the 1 litres. So if you want a little bit more speed on your day-to-day driver, this is probably the one for you. And there's your reverse camera as well. What I'll do is I'll just make sure the vehicle's open. There we go. I'll just show you the boot space to expect. So as you can see, plenty of room in there. Does need a little bit of a hoover out, but we always make sure that's done before anyone collects it. And then under the floor, we've got tyre inflation kit there. So I'll just close that up. There is a parcel shelf, by the way. I've just pulled it out of the way because it's a slidey one. And then into the rear, you can see quite a lot of leg room in there. You can easily get a couple of adults in the back. Easily get 3 children in there too. So into the actual cabin where you spend most of your time. Just before we get in, you've got your button for the electric folding mirrors, and then you've got electric windows all around. And then, as I said, it is an auto, so you do get paddle shifters there. I'll just start the engine as well, so you know it's nice and healthy. And there's the mileage, 3,596. Not too bad at all there. And then moving on anyway, onto the wheel. You've got all your cruise control functions on this side, alongside your lane keep assist button, and that's for the distance from the vehicle in front. Over to the left hand side, we've got all your trip computer and menu navigating buttons, alongside your phone controls and volume. And then just behind that, you've got your automatic lights, automatic wipers too. So moving on to the centre console area, just bear with me a second. Just move some of the stuff I've been shifting around. Don't think you need to see the Wrigley's gone. So we've got sat nav in this vehicle, and there's our location, White Lund Industrial Estate. We've also got plenty of different sources for your music there, so you've got plenty of radio bandwidths, USB, Bluetooth, HDMI, and then this one here is smartphone connection, so that's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And then if you pop the vehicle into reverse, you'd have reverse camera too, with 3 different settings. So you've got wide angle, standard view, and then a top down, which is quite handy. Just put it back to the standard view. And there you go, car driving past, you can see how good quality the camera is. I've just put it back in P now. So as I said, it is a automatic, so you've got park just there being a bit hidden, reverse, neutral, drive, and then sport. And then just under there you've got brake hold and your electronic parking brake with your economy button on the other side. And just before we finish this video off, I'll see if I can get the right angle for it. So just down there where there's a couple of pens I've thrown, that's where your connectors are. And then just under here where I've thrown my other stuff, there's also a 1 ampere USB there. So it is cloth material on these seats. It's quite a bit more breathable than leather, I find. So yeah, if there's anything I've not covered in this video, or anything extra you'd like to know, or you'd even like to come down and test drive a 1.5 auto, just give us a call and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks, take care, bye.